Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing pumpkin turnovers. They're absolutely delicious and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's get started. It's finally fall and I'm so excited. So now I can finally make all of my fall pumpkin and pumpkin spice recipes and drink pumpkin spice chai teas. I'm so excited. So let's get started with this recipe so we can get our pumpkin on. To start off, I have 1 cup of canned pumpkin in my bowl, a half a cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then just a little pinch of salt. Give this a mix. I've got 2 sheets of puff pastry that I'm going to cut into 4 pieces. Now I'm going to put a little bit of filling in the middle of each pastry. Now I've got a little bit of egg wash that I'm going to brush around the edges, and this is going to help us seal our turnovers. Now I'm just going to take the corner of one of my turnovers and fold it right over. Wipe away any filling that may have oozed out and make sure it's good and sealed. Now that all of my turnovers are packed with filling, I'm going to brush them with some egg wash and then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sanding sugar on top for a nice crunch. My turnovers are out of the oven. I baked them at 350 degrees until they were golden brown. Right before I popped them in the oven though, I made sure to cut 2 slits in the top of each turnover so that way it has a airway to breathe so the steam won't pop open your turnovers. So make sure you do that. Now I'm ready to try one. Ooh, you hear that crunch? It's very festive. It's very festive and very delicious. These are one of those things, they're so festive for fall, I could only eat them in fall, like October, November, and then that's it. I need to savor them in those months, so I can't eat them the rest of the year because they're that good. It's like Thanksgiving food, you know, you got to preserve it for once a year so you can recognize its optimal deliciousness. This is hidden. I'm here for it. It's so festive. It gives me fall vibes and I just feel cozy. I've got my sweater on. It was chilly today. I'm here for it. These are absolutely delicious. They're flaky and light. The recipe makes 8 turnovers and they're amazing for breakfast on the go, or if you just want some with a cup of coffee, you know, have at it. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do because I love it. If you enjoyed it though, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.